Hello Bladers. Dash cams have become a necessity in today's time. This is especially true for the upcoming holiday season. You'll really need to make sure that everything is recorded so that you won't have a hard time reviewing things if certain problems arise. If you ask us for recommendations, we will most likely tell you to get a Polaroid dashcam. Yes, you heard that right, a Polaroid dashcam. It has great specifications and features that you'll really enjoy using. Don't believe us? Here are the facts to convince you. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Why you should get the Polaroid dashcam. Number 1, looping feature. We all know having to delete files could be a pain. This is especially true if you just came out of a vacation and you have tons of video files that you have to delete one by one. Number 2, G4 sensors. If you're going out on a holiday trip, you need to have G4 sensors on your dashcam. This option allows people to know if you've been in an accident. Number 3, records nighttime footage reliably. Polaroid is known for reliable nighttime footage because of its 6 elements optics lens, dark environment night vision mode, and WDR for excellent night vision. With a Polaroid dashcam you'll feel safe even when driving at night. Number 4, affordability. Don't let the somewhat cheap pricing make you think that Polaroid dashcam is low on features. Polaroid also offers FHD driving recorder, collision detection, seamless loop recording, support up to 64GB Class 10 micro SDXC and more in one dashcam. With this, you'll really get the most value for this dashcam. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.